Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the JUTC. Now, recently 12 CNG buses arrived to bolster the JUTC fleet. So, the main means of transport in Jamaica is the bus. The JUTC is a government owned bus service. It operates in Kingston, Portmore, and Spanish Town. Now, the JUTC has a serious shortage of buses. They need 400 buses to roll out every day for an efficient service, but sometimes they're down to 200 buses. So the government has been buying new buses. 50 came in last year, and some came in at the beginning of this year, and now 12 have arrived in April. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on the 12 buses that recently arrived. 12 new buses have arrived in the island to boost the Jamaican Urban Transit Company fleet and help ease the transportation challenges faced by commuters. Minister of Science, Energy, Telecommunications and Transport, Honorable Darrell Vaz, said that the compressed natural gas buses, which were cleared at the Kingston Wharf on Wednesday, April 10th, add to the 6 units that arrived in January. That will put us at 18, but 2 more to arrive in May. That will put us at 18 with 2 more to arrive in May. Those are specifically outfitted for the disabled community. That will be 20 buses, he noted. When you look at the 50 buses that came in last year, July, 45 diesel and 5 electric buses at a value of 1 billion, and these 20 CNG buses valued at 650 million, that would be 1.65 billion that has been returned to the people of Jamaica based on our good fiscal responsibility, he pointed out. Minister Vaz noted that the government has earmarked 2.6 billion for the acquisition of 100 buses, which are scheduled to arrive before the start of the 2024-25 school year in September. I can confirm that the 100 buses I committed, CNG buses, are now in production. Deposits have been made, and they will be in production from April 5th and May 10, which means they will leave China at the end of May and arrive here by the end of June for July. That would be 170 new buses in 18 months. 50 under previous ministers and 120 in less than 1 year under my stewardship, Minister Vaz said. Alright guys, so that's the latest on the arrival of the 12 new CNG buses. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day. We are actually driving on Shortwood Road today. We are at the intersection of Shortwood Road and Grandspen Road. Alright guys, have a good day.